Is your living room feeling stuck in the past, or are you just tired of a couch that dictates your entire room layout? Today, we are breaking free from rigid furniture and looking at the ultimate living room upgrades. 7. ABCASA Oversized Boneless Sofa. This piece immediately grabs your attention with its massive, unconventional design that completely ditches the traditional wooden frame in favor of a boneless structure. The core concept here is blending the casual, relaxed vibe of a giant beanbag with the general footprint of a living room sectional, creating a highly informal aesthetic. When we first set it up and sank into the cushions, the initial comfort level was undeniably high. It swallows you up in a way that feels great for a quick nap or a very casual lounging session. However, the lack of a rigid frame starts to show its flaws quite rapidly during extended use. Because there is no internal skeleton holding the shape together, the sofa offers virtually zero ergonomic support for your back or posture, making it uncomfortable for long movie marathons. The fabric itself is relatively soft to the touch and has a cozy texture, which we appreciated. But the unstructured nature of the sofa means the covers tend to shift around constantly. After just a few hours of normal sitting, the entire piece starts to look messy and deflated. You will find yourself needing to manually fluff and reshape the sofa almost every single time you stand up, which quickly becomes a tedious chore. Modularity is technically a feature here, as you can separate the oversized pieces to create different seating pods across your room. Unfortunately, because the modules lack a solid base to anchor them, getting them to stay perfectly aligned when pushed together is nearly impossible. If you plop down too hard or shift your weight, the pieces easily slide apart, leaving annoying gaps right in the middle of your seating area. 6. WHGBJA 108-inch Cloud Sectional Couch. This model aims to provide that highly sought-after, high-end cloud experience at a much more accessible price point. Visually, it really does look the part when you first assemble it, featuring clean, modern lines and a deep-seated look that promises luxury. We spent a solid weekend testing this one out, hoping it would be the budget-friendly cloud sofa we've been looking for. The top layer of the cushions is definitely plush and inviting, but we quickly noticed that the overall foam density is severely lacking. After sitting in the same spot for a couple of hours, you begin to sink entirely through the soft top layer and can clearly feel the hard wooden base underneath, which is a major letdown. The modular connectors on the WHGBJA are another significant point of contention. While it is relatively easy to snap the pieces into various L shapes or a long straight sofa, the hardware itself feels flimsy and under-engineered. When multiple people sat down or shifted their weight, there was a noticeable creak from the frame, and the modules would slightly separate, creating uncomfortable cracks between the seats. On a more positive note, the upholstery fabric is surprisingly decent for the price bracket. It feels durable enough to handle daily wear and tear, and it held up reasonably well when we tested it with a minor water spill, wiping clean without leaving a terrible water ring. However, the back cushions suffer from the same lack of density as the seats, meaning they compress too much and leave you constantly adjusting pillows behind your back to get proper lumbar support. The WHGBJA is ultimately a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for. It looks fantastic in photos and offers genuine modular flexibility to fit different room shapes. 5. LINSY Home Sectional Sleeper Sofa. This is where we started to see a real leap in both functional design and solid construction during our testing phase. The LINSY Home brings a highly practical sleeper element into the modular space, making it an incredibly versatile option for smaller apartments or multi-use rooms. During our hands-on evaluation, the absolute standout feature was the smooth integration of the pull-out sleeper mechanism. It operates effortlessly, gliding out on a hidden track system. Transforming the sofa from a standard modular L shape into a surprisingly spacious and secure sleeping area was incredibly intuitive and took us just a matter of seconds to complete. Comfort-wise, this sofa strikes a much better and more sustainable balance than our previous contenders. The seat cushions are notably firmer, utilizing a high-density foam that provides excellent support. You don't sink endlessly into this couch. Instead, it holds your posture well, which actually makes it significantly easier to get up from while still remaining very comfortable for a long evening of watching television. The modularity here is executed brilliantly. You can easily swap the chaise lounge piece from the left to the right side depending on the specific layout of your living room. We thoroughly tested the hidden connecting brackets, and they are rock solid. They hold the heavy pieces together firmly, completely eliminating that annoying shifting and sliding we experienced with the lower tier models. The LINSY home is a fantastic, highly pragmatic piece of furniture. It is solidly built with a robust frame, offers genuinely useful hidden storage underneath the chaise for extra blankets, and provides a comfortable, quick-to-deploy sleeping solution for overnight guests. It is a major step in the right direction for anyone needing maximum versatility. Number 4. Modular Sectional Cloud Couch. If you are chasing that true, ultra-deep-seated cloud aesthetic without completely draining your bank account, this model seriously impressed us right out of the shipping boxes. It manages to capture the luxurious vibe perfectly while maintaining strong structural integrity. Sitting on the Monvane is a totally different, elevated experience. The depth of the seats is incredibly generous, easily allowing you to pull your legs up, cross them, and fully curl into the sofa. The cushions utilize a much higher quality blend of memory foam and down alternative, providing a soft landing that actually bounces back and retains its shape beautifully after you stand up. We spent hours playing around with several configurations, transforming it from a massive conversational U-shape to a classic straight sofa paired with floating ottomans. The individual block modules are surprisingly lightweight, making them easy for one person to move, yet the alligator-style clips lock them together with a satisfying, secure grip that doesn't budge an inch. The fabric wrapped around this model is a major highlight. It boasts a beautiful, rich texture that feels distinctly premium to the touch. During our heavy wear and tear testing, it showed absolutely zero signs of pilling or stretching. Furthermore, the material is surprisingly breathable, effectively keeping you cool and comfortable even during long, lazy Sunday lounging sessions. Overall, the Monvane perfectly bridges the gap between high-end luxury and everyday practicality. It absolutely delivers on the promise of cloud-like, enveloping comfort while maintaining more than enough internal support to serve as a reliable, heavy-use piece of furniture for a busy, modern household. 3. ohllob Cloud Sectional Couches. This sofa instantly caught our attention with its massive scale and incredibly inviting, chunky design. We had high expectations based on its impressive specs, and it absolutely lived up to the hype once we got it fully assembled and integrated into our testing space. The sheer plushness of the ohllob is on another level entirely. It utilizes a premium high-resilience sponge core that offers a remarkable bounce-back effect. You get that wonderful initial sink-in softness that you want from a cloud couch, but it immediately catches and supports your body weight evenly. We spent full workdays sitting on this couch with laptops and experienced zero back fatigue. Modularity is where the ohllob truly shines and sets itself apart. Each seat, armrest, and backrest module feels like an independent, finely crafted piece of furniture. Reconfiguring the layout felt less like moving heavy furniture and more like a creative design exercise, allowing us to seamlessly tailor the exact seating arrangement to the specific dimensions of the room. The upholstery chosen for this model is another massive win. It features a high-grade performance fabric that is remarkably easy to clean and maintain. We purposely smeared a small amount of chocolate on a hidden corner during testing, and it wiped away effortlessly with just a damp cloth, making this an absolute dream for families with young children or pets. The ohllob 110-inch is a masterclass in modern modular furniture design. It offers a massive, luxurious footprint that anchors a room, incredible ease of daily maintenance, and a level of sophisticated comfort that will make it very difficult to ever want to leave your living room once you sit down. 2. SUAWY 108-inch Sectional Sleeper Sofa. This couch is essentially the Swiss Army knife of modular sofas, flawlessly blending top-tier comfort with some of the absolute best functional engineering we have ever evaluated in living room furniture. What truly blew us away during our testing period was the sheer, unapologetic versatility of the SUAWY. Not only does it arrange into countless modular setups with ease, but the integrated sleeper function is incredibly robust. The pull-out section matches the exact height, fabric, and firmness of the main seating, creating a genuinely seamless and highly comfortable bed, rather than a lumpy afterthought. The build quality on display here is exceptional. The internal frame feels rock solid and heavy, while the modular locking mechanisms are practically industrial strength. You can practically throw yourself onto this couch, and the individual pieces simply do not separate or rattle. It provides a sense of permanence and stability that is extremely rare in modular furniture. We also have to take a moment to praise the brilliant storage solutions. Almost every single seating module lifts up smoothly on gas struts to reveal deep, spacious storage compartments. We were able to hide away multiple thick winter duvets, a large stack of board games, and extra throw pillows with room to spare, which is an absolute lifesaver for keeping a living space perfectly decluttered. The SUAWY is an absolute powerhouse of a sofa. It looks elegant, clean, and modern on the outside, yet it hides a massive, comfortable bed and an unbelievable amount of storage right beneath the surface. It is the perfect, no-compromise solution for anyone trying to maximize their square footage without sacrificing an ounce of high-end style. 1. Amsleekey Modular Sectional Sofa. If you want the ultimate pinnacle of comfort, sophisticated style, and flawless execution in every single detail, this is the couch that completely stole the show during our rigorous evaluations. The very second you sit on the Amsleekey, you completely understand why it is our undisputed winner. It utilizes a premium corduroy fabric that is breathtakingly soft against the skin, adding a beautiful, rich, and slightly vintage texture to the room. The cushioning is perfectly tuned, offering a magnificent, harmonious blend of deep, enveloping softness and unyielding, long-lasting ergonomic support. The modular design of the Amsleekey is nothing short of flawless. The individual pieces glide easily on your floors when you intentionally want to move them, but the heavy-duty metal connectors lock them together with a vice-like grip. We transformed it from an oversized movie night pit sofa to a traditional, formal L shape in under 2 minutes, and it looked impeccably tailored in every single configuration. Durability is clearly a top priority with this brand, and it shows in the construction. We rigorously tested the solid wood frame for stability and the corduroy fabric for wear, and it passed with flying colors. The material naturally resists pet hair beautifully, and the removable covers are incredibly easy to maintain, ensuring the sofa will continue to look brand new for years to come. The Amsleekey Modular Sectional is a true triumph of home furniture design. It effortlessly transforms your living space into a luxurious, highly adaptable sanctuary. It hits every single mark flawlessly, from the stunning visual aesthetic and unmatched sink-in comfort to its rugged, family-friendly durability, making it the clear winner and our absolute highest recommendation for your home.